y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I've got something special coming in from Kai USA to Rob's Nerdy Knives. This is something that Kershaw reached out to me about, said if they could send some knives for me to take a look at. And I said, absolutely 100%. I would love to do that. So super excited about this. So let's dig into it. Today I'm opening it up with my Kershaw live wire. Great OTF, my only OTF, and the only OTF that I think I'll ever keep in my collection. Now that's open. All right, let's get in there. Might have to edit that out. I got a little bit of information there. Let's see what we got. All right, cool. Looks like a couple of knives. So let's take a look. All right, so we got two knives in here. Very, very cool. Let's see what we have. Maybe we'll do two unboxings. We'll see. Let's see how this goes. All right, the first one I have here is a Launch 8. All right, so let's take a look at that. Not familiar with the Launch series, but I'd love to try them. All right, so this is the Launch 8. It's an automatic knife. Okay, all right. Let's take a look. What do we got here? I got a little silicate packet. Feels like aluminum. I'm pretty sure that's aluminum. Yeah, aluminum. All right, very cool. All right, so we got nice pocket carry clip. Looks like it's a button one. Kind of got that sort of dagger kind of look to it. So let's see how that goes. All right, so I'm gonna hold on the clip and let's see. Cool, all right, all right. So what do we have here? We have CPM-154. That's a pretty good steel. Wow, and the USA made looks like. Yeah, USA Disc and Design. So this is a USA made knife. Very light with the aluminum scales. Feels very solid. Let's see here. Do that again. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's not bad at all, actually. Wow. Let's see, compare that to, what do we got here? Yeah, about the same size. Blade shape, a little similar, but not quite. All right, one's an OTF and one is an out the side automatic. That's really cool. I like that. Nicely rounded all the way across. Nice round clip there. Bet that you could probably replace that if you wanted to, but still very cool. T8s, T6s, looks like T6s all the way around. Oh, it is a reversible clip. Look at that. So it's, what is this? Right hand tip up? Yeah, right hand tip up. I like that a lot. That's pretty cool. The button's depressed. Let's see how, is it easy to depress? Yeah, relatively, but you know what? It's not bad at all. I like that a lot. 154 cm is pretty good steel. That's nice. It's going to strop up really well. Pretty sharp, nice, super, super tip. Very pointy, very functional. So can definitely come up here and use for cutting. Definitely got a nice little pokey tip so you can get into some dog food, cat food, cases of water. This is what I probably would use that for. This is really nice. I like the carbon fiber. It looks like a twill inlay on top of this aluminum right here. Looks like a T8 right there. We'll double check that, but that's really cool. Pretty robust blades, nice and flat on here. So nice push cut. Can definitely get into some things. Really, really, really cool. That is stinking, stinking cool. All right, let's do that again. I like that. Let's see if we can do it left-handed. Yep, absolutely. And you would have the clip over here, obviously, on that side, and then this would be an exposed area over here. But very, very cool. I like the fact that it's reversible, so that's really cool. All right, so it's an OTS out the side. Nice. Not too sharp on the edges up there. Those have been softened just a little bit. I mean, they're still edged, so if you needed to do a Ferris rod, you could. But see, it's not scraping the nails off, so that's nice. It's not crazy, crazy sharp. I like how it's nice and rounded with the aluminum handle. That's really cool. Actually, kind of a nice little stiletto. So I have large hands, right? So extra large, double extra large hands, I think could easily hold on to this. You can definitely choke up here like that. You could go down. Let's see here. You can do a pull cut. Yep, definitely do a push cut if you're going through some leather or plastic or cardboard for sure. 154 is a nice steel. That'll actually polish up really, really well. CPM, wait a second. CPM-154. Oh, that's nice. I just realized that's not 154 cm, that's CPM-154. That's the powdered version of 154. Even better. Oh, that's really nice. rather premium little knife here. I like that. Cool. Very, very cool little knife. I'm absolutely digging this. Okay. All right, this is a really nice surprise. I like the roundedness all the way around. It is not my typical shape, but man, you know, as far as the design with a carbon fiber twill inlay on the aluminum handles, this is a nice touch. It's very round, it's very nice and softed. You do have the clip, which is cool, and I believe that's a steel clip though. Yeah, it's a steel clip. Not a problem there, but I don't know what the price is. First time impression, CPM-154. I can't believe it's super cheap, but I can't believe it's going to be crazy expensive. It's Kershaw and it's USA made, but definitely some quality stuff here. I really like the blade. This reminds me a lot of the stonewash that they do on this one over here. You can absolutely see that. Both autos, right? Yeah, so that's really, really stinking cool. This is 20 CV and that's CPM 154. Not 154 CM, but CPM 154. That out the side is pretty darn sharp. I mean, got some good force to it. Yeah, absolutely. That's crazy. I like that a lot. So let's see if we can get a nice close-up of that. Ready? That's really cool. See if I get a nice close-up. Maybe we can even slow it down for the camera here. Really cool. Yeah, USA. So it's got the USA emblem. That's really cool. It is kind of like a backspacer, but it's a frame, two pieces brought together with screws. That's really cool. That is really stinking cool. Yeah, and so it catches right up there. That's the lock back right there. It locks in place right there, and then it releases the lock right. Where's the lock? Is that going to be right there? Okay, it's going to be right there. So it locks in place right there. And let's see, is it dead center? Really good job. Wow. All right, Kershaw. That is stinking impressive. That is really stinking impressive. I was not planning to be impressed because my son had bought one of their really super budget, made in China. I mean, that's kind of a cheap knife, right? They sell them at the, on a big box or something. But this is next level. This is up there with the live wire. Absolutely, absolutely awesome. So let me give you a nice close-up look at that twill inlay on the aluminum scale, which is nice and smooth. Feels like it's got a coating on there a little bit. Certainly really smooth. I like the clip. I mean, it's a little billboarding, but it's minimal Kershaw. I mean, it's not like really bold and big. Like this is a little more subtle, right? But still not bad. And this is very light up here for the USA emblem. So that's really cool. All right, so here it is. Inside inlay, dead center, okay? Here we have a nice little slot through there, which is cool. All right, and so then let's go ahead and deploy that. Get a nice close-up of this. Pretty cool little blade. Let's look at the back. What do you think? I mean, I think it's pretty cool. Let me zoom in a little bit here. So here's the handle. Here's the blade. CPM 154, and that's pretty cool, isn't it? I think that's pretty stinking cool. That's really nice of them to send this along. Wow. Okay. That's a cool blade. I like that. Yeah, this is cool. Very, very cool. Let me zoom out a little bit. Get a little closer up here. So, put that down like that. We don't have to put it down like that necessarily. See if we can get a nice full view like this. I like this. I do. I'm very impressed. Really impressed with Kershaw. I don't know what they're doing, but they're doing it right. My only wish is some of this innovation, some of this really quality stuff they're doing, hope to bring it over to ZT. I would really like to see ZT have a little more of that. I think that would be really cool. All right. So very cool knife. Definitely have some nice qualities. First impression is very good. Feeling this, there's no hot spots anywhere. I like that a lot. Okay. I love the strong deployment. That's really outstanding. Yeah, that's a strong open. That's a really strong open there. I like that. So that looks like it is inlay, right? I want to make sure that's not just a sticker, but it does. Yeah, it's carbon fiber. Maybe it's texture peel ply, but definitely has a reflective coating of carbon fiber, so there's no question. Whether it's just a thin sheet laid on top of there, it is carbon fiber. It could be peel ply like you sometimes put on top of G10, but it is absolutely a laminate layer, or if you call it, a layer of carbon fiber for sure. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's just really, really not bad at all. All right, so I'm trying to see. Okay, so there's a hole there. I wonder if that's where the glue, whatever. So it's probably laid on there and glued on there, but that's pretty darn nice. I like how this right here works like that. You can really get on top of it. I like the fact there's a swedge so you can turn your cut, especially if you're cutting through something heavy. I do like the sharp edge. I like the nice tip. Let's look at that edge. Can we get on that? All right, so that edge is pretty even on both sides. It's not bad. Not bad at all. Yeah, for sure. That's cool. Probably a 600 grit there, it looks like it. Very, very nice. Very nice. Good job. Yeah, okay, so that's the Kershaw Launch 8. Let's make sure I got that correctly, right? Launch 8, 71, raw titanium. Okay, so this is probably raw titanium. I like it. Thumbs up for sure. Oh, did I miss something in there? Let's see here. What do we got? All right, so we just got the little piece in here. It's just information, Kershaw knives, and all sorts of stuff. So that's cool. Very, very, very nice. I do like that. Very impressed with that. Okay, so that is the Kershaw for sure. We'll put that off to the side. But if you guys are, if you like this or interested, definitely stay around for the, come back for the review. I'm absolutely going to do a review of this knife. This is fantastic. And they said I could have these if I'd like them. So we'll see what happens with them. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm very, very impressed. So yeah, definitely looking forward to the review on this and handling this a little bit. Pretty powerful little out the side lock. I am very impressed. I like the stiletto. Look at this. This is actually a very nice looking, very good size, thin, discreet little stiletto. That's definitely really cool. Yeah. All right. So there you go. The Kershaw Launch 8, the out the side automatic. Cool knife, definitely something very cool in Texas and very legal here. I hope it is in other places. And if check your state and local knife laws. Make sure if it is, then enjoy. If not, just use your discretion, follow the laws. But there you go, man. That is the Kershaw Launch 8 Auto. Very cool little knife. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, entertaining, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the videos really, really helps out the channel. Allows me to produce more content, do more things, allows the channel to grow, ultimately allows me to be able to do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to all of you who subscribe, who like the videos, and who watch the videos. I very much appreciate you guys. And to all my channel members, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you for your support. All of you. You guys are amazing and awesome people. I so do appreciate you. And, if you have thought of becoming a channel member or interested in helping support the channel, love, love, love to have you. Please feel free to become a member down below. There's a link in the description. I would love to have you as another channel member. That would be awesome. I'd be honored, and I appreciate it so much. So thank you. And if you guys haven't already, maybe check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.